all students are in the classroom, and I like apples and bananas. Boy. The boy is playing football. Car. My father has a red car. Cat. The cat is sleeping on the chair. Day. Today is a beautiful day. And this is the end of the story. Family. My family is very happy. Home. I go home after school. It is very cold today. Man. The man is reading a book. Name. My name is Anna. I have one pencil. People. Many people are in the park. Read. I read a book every night. School. I go to school every morning. Speak. I can speak English. The sun is bright. This is my bag. You are my friend. Ask. I ask a question. Book. This book is very interesting. I can swim. Dog. The dog is running. My eye hurts. First. This is my first lesson. Go. I go to the market. He is my brother. Child. The child is happy. The pencil is in the box. Learn. I learn English every day. Morning. I drink milk in the morning. Open. Please open the door. Play. We play in the park. Question. I have a question. Room. My room is clean. Say. Please say your name. Start. The class will start soon. Today. Today is Monday. Word. This word is easy. This story is about a cat. I'm at home. Brother. My brother is tall. Drink. I drink water every day. Easy. This lesson is easy. Father. My father is kind. Girl. The girl is singing. Help. I help my mother. Chair. The chair is near the table. No. I know the answer.